Hello, hello, hello. I'm back. Mark Lafell here. Okay, if you're 21 years old and you are in college and book, this is three things you can do to make some money while you're in college, and you can make big money with those. First, if you have $500 in your pocket, I think you can start with this one. Don't need that much. You can start an e-commerce online selling platform. It's easy to do. I heard it's easy. I don't have one, but hey, with $500, you're in college. You find a product that's a lot of people like and they're buying, and you create an account. You can sell them on Amazon or TikTok, whatever, wherever you want to sell them. Shopify, you name it, Etsy. And the only thing you find the product, well, find out where it's coming from, and most likely in China, and then you buy a few of those products. You do not need a warehouse. They do not have to send them to you. You can directly send it to the warehouse, and then you start selling and making a profit. You buy them for $1 or two, sell them for five, six, seven, eight, $9, and then you make some money. Second thing, 21 years old, you broke and you can do right now. Second thing you can do if you are good in writing, I'm not good in writing, I'm not a writer, and you can help people in school, help them with the writing, help them with the math problem, or, you know, uh, you can help them with a lot of other stuff, whatever you're good at, writing, math, physics, stuff like that. And all the other thing you can do, you can videotape your course, your classes, resolving the problems, and put them on YouTube, put them on TikTok, put them everywhere that people can find content, and you can start making some money. Third thing you can do right now, third thing you can do if you're in college, you can do right now, you can start making some money, is using AI. There's a lot of stuff going on right now. I mean, I'm not an AI guy. I'm probably too old, but hey, I gotta adapt. Using your AI information, whatever it is, and then try to find out what you can do. And there's a lot of stuff people are doing using AI. You can make AI videos. You don't have to show your face. It's revolutionary, man. Listen, and if you're not making money, man, you better start making some money. All right, this is me again. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Until next time.